Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to make an online product catalog. On your computer browser, type here publu.com. So go to this Publu website, and once you're in this website, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Under solutions, click on online catalog and click on create a catalog. And now if you're first time in this website, you have to create a free account. So I'm going to creating a free account with my Google account. Once you created an account, you will directly jump into this interface. Here, click on upload your PDF. And now from your computer, select your product catalog PDF file. So here's my product catalog. I'm going to uploading my catalog in this website. And here, as you can see, my product catalog uploaded, and now here we can see it's already converted to a online flip book. I can easily flip my pages just like so. Now if you want, you can customize your online flip books from this left-hand menu. So here we can see my current flip book name, this one. To change your name, click on name and description, and from here you can go ahead and edit your name. You can add a description here and then click on background, and now from here you can select a background. If you want, you can upload a background image from your computer by clicking on image. Click on add logo, and if you want to add a logo at the top right corner of this flipbook, you can upload a logo from here. Go to menu, and this is my current menu. From here you can enable or disable any options. Let's disable print option and download PDF option, and go to security, and here if you want, you can password protect your product catalog from here, and go to preferences, and here you will find bunch of different options you can customize for your product catalog. Once your editing finished, click on save, and your catalog will be published in this website. Now click on share, and here you will find your flipbook catalog link. Copy the link, and now I'm going to opening an incognito window, and from this incognito window I'm going to opening my online product catalog, and here as you can see the catalog is showing. So now on, anyone will be able to view this online product catalog using this URL.